Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parker Street, 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Second location is 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Been here for 13 years and we enjoy helping you pick out the things that you need to make your life more easier when it comes to technology. So today I want to talk about scamming and blackmail. So we got this email in, and maybe some of you have gotten this email, but we just got one today. I heard from the customers that have gotten it, and it's an email that says, hey, I had this program called RAT, Remote Access Technology, and I had turned your camera and I took in screenshots of your video, and I got some very damaging video of you and looking at sites and doing all this stuff, and I want to let you guys know that is a scam. And maybe you have gotten this email, and more than likely people that have received this email won't tell anyone about it because it's embarrassing most times. Whenever we're scammed or whenever we hack, we don't talk about it. We don't say, call a friend, hey, guess what happened to me? I just got hacked. No, those are things that we keep to ourselves. Well, here at Computers Plus, we want to help you in being able to determine if an email is valid or if an email is not valid. One of our techs here got a text message from opposing Wells Fargo saying that we need you to reply with your PIN so we can verify that it is you. And so your bank is never going to do that. There's never going to do that. And if you have to, and if you get that text, go to your local branch. Now, right now, it's Veterans Day, so my father, bless his soul, my grandfather, my grandmother, they were all veterans. My brother's a veteran. So we had some great employees here that are veterans as well. So we want to give a big shout out to all the veterans that did what they had to do to make us safe and give us freedom. So, and freedom for people to just send emails that are blackmail, extorting. Those aren't real. And I get questions from customers that sometimes they go that distance. Sometimes they get the gift card, and some and it's just so sad. But if you look at something, if you read something, and if you get the gut feeling that it's not right, it's not real, you're probably right. And if you need just that second set of eyes, give us a call. Our number is 770-693-0769. We also got on our website, computersplususa.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all different social platforms, so we can get more involved with our community and help you guys make some decisions that could impact your life. I mean, I had a customer, and they unfortunately gave a scammer $10,000 because she thought it was real, and it wasn't real. And unfortunately, with your debit card, when you do use your debit card, it is cash. It's considered cash, and it's so hard to fight for that return because it is seen as cash now. That there was years ago where you could really fight for your debit card, but things have changed now. It's cash whenever you use your debit card. Now, if maybe it happened and you didn't consent it, well, yeah, your bank is in your corner. But if you happen to put your debit card in there, it's going to really be tough, almost impossible for you to get your money back. So that's more information that we like to give to our customers. We do a blog every single day on our website, so please make sure you subscribe to that so you can help yourself and help your friends and family stay abreast on all the different technology changes and all the different threats out there that have happened. Comcast got hacked. I mean, different companies are getting hacked all the time. So it's always best to have an IT person in your corner looking out for you. Make sure you click and like this video and subscribe and share it with your friend and family. We look forward to working with you whenever possible. I'm Terrence, CEO and founder of Computers Plus, and we'll see you soon. Bye.